Today I'm making a video on what's inside my bag. This is my bag, and in this bag I will show you what I keep, all the things in this bag. You'll know it. So first of all I will open it like this. First of all, my water bottle. Most important, my sunscreen. My Chotu Sa lotion, Nivea lotion. My one and only copy. Wet wipes. My lipstick, the only pen I have after completed my 12th. My comb, some टॉफीज जो कि मुझे छोटे पैसे नहीं दिए थे, एक कैंटीन वाले भैया ने, सो इसकी जगह उसने मुझे दे दिए 10 रुपीज़ का कॉइन. And the last finally purse is basically like this. Rubber band. Now it's empty. This is all I have in my bag. Okay, bye, love you.